Wait, pause, wait. What? Yeah. All this you was talking, man. You're not your own boss. Huh? You're not your own boss. You got fired, yeah? Yeah, you got fired? Oh! Oh, I'm the richest black guy on earth. Ever since Mensa Musa. Mensa Musa. If Kanyewest is the richest black man on earth, then listen, I'm the brokest. I'm the brokest man on earth. Okay? Nobody more broke than me. That being said, from my own, egg my own, make it jump. Ou fait l'argent. Là, les gens se donnent cette over we don't even come up money. You got like nini. Sweet. Nini. But sometimes money is so sour. We don't make no money. We call it lemon. So today, I go by the name of King Sizzy, aka Petit Fiel, aka Keep Pushing, now aka your favorite king. So now, yeah, decided he want to change the N word to king. Hey, listen, man, if you make any money off this king thing, you're gonna owe me a lot of money, okay? Don't be mad, Kanye. Come, keep it cool. Keep it cool, man. Keep it cool. That's what got you fired in the first place. Your boss fired you, man. Yeezy, you got fired. You got fired. Yeah. No. Yeah. What happened? I heard you, but again. About black people and you want to talk about somebody's rich. The richest country in the world is where? Where's the richest country in the world? I'll let you guess that. Now, where is the brokest country in the world? Where? Oh, don't none of you guys realize that. So you want to change poverty, you want to change in the world, but you don't start in the brokest country? You don't? You want to talk about, oh, your black people, your Chicago guys in New York, in United States, killing each other to wear Yeezys, killing each other to wear Michael Jordans. Eh? Ever fuck a maca? No. Ever fuck a maca? No. Ever fuck a maca? You got fired, yeah? Yeah, you got fired. If people want to fall for your lies, Yeezy, oh yeah, people want to fall for yours, they could get in fall for yours. But listen, Negmaons, all the Negmaons by heart, nobody will fall for none of these lies. Or stop falling for nonsense. That racist game you playing, shut it, man. If you want to be show love to everybody. No one side, and then no love to everyone. Okay, Yeezy, don't listen. You and you know what? Negmaons, let these guys know. But Negmaons, love you guys.
Habillez-vous. Comment ça tu l'as venu? Hey maman.
Nous me faire blague. Vidéo ça me pas faire pour blague. OK? Nous souhaitons chaque monde qui ont les sons dans vidéo ça. Nous bus ça n'a regardé l'endom non, c'est une déportation. C'est immigration dominicaine qui a pris ici pimpé au pas bon ici. Mais gon bagay qui marque dans bus ça m'a regardé là. Chaque femme qui descend bus là est grosse. Si il y a 5 femmes qui descendent bus là, on va 4 grosses parmi eux. Mais je pose mon question, est-ce que pas de capote en République dominicaine? Est-ce que pas de capote en République dominicaine? Est-ce que vous pas fait planning dans la République dominicaine? Vous pas fait planning dans la République dominicaine? Mais je ne comprends pas haïtien même. Qui ça nous voulait même?